Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is August 14, 2025. Time check mo doy. Alas 7:15. So yan na, parade. Gabay kita mamurutin siyo tada. Oo. Yan na, parade itong pasaka. Oo, ato kita plaza na lang makuan. Magapil.
And special thanks to Sangkay Tonyo. Ngayon na, hiya lang usay tagpipinan na murot hit mga siot di Diha Plaza. Thank you kuya. Ang imo pagpakita yung suporta hiniya na nga event Diha Pasaka Festival 2025.
Diba? Kagabi parang kailan lang vlog. See you at lahat.
Thank you.
Heroes the world should know.
Hello, ayun ngaran.
Lian James.
Ano ni mo school? Tisisay! Ay! Tisisay na liwat!
When storms may come, when times are tough.
Okay na din. Thank you. Ayos ka, good. Taga din ka.
Bago.
Kano ka nabulig?
Damot siyot.
There's a story that must be told of kindness.
And we would like to acknowledge the presence han aton head, han GSO and IT. We have Sir Eugene Ramos Jr.
Grabe talaga. Sir Eugene Ramos, we say thank you so much for the extra effort that we have exerted in order for the entire preparations from day one until today. You have been exerting so much effort, leading the entire GSO and all the personnel under your care. Such a great work. Damo-damo nga salamat.
Sun cakes on you, you light the way with stories of love every day. Here in our town, you make us believe you're the light that we all need. He helps the poor and still he shows local heat.
Okay, and we would like to acknowledge partner, the PESO manager through Mrs. Joselita Ritaga. Ma'am Jill, good morning. Ayan, italon ang Diyos ko Lord. Yung Ma'am Jill. Yes. Bisa hindi mga dur na kagulaan ng kapirawan. Laban pa rin. Lumalaban pa rin kita. Sa dagis na task that is given to us. And of course, ang iya tutulong ang angel. That's
A voice for the people, strong and true. Hope comes alive in what you do. Sun cakes on you, you light the way with stories of love every day. Here in our town, you make us believe you're the light that we all need. He helps the poor, he love stands tall. Thank you so much, Sankey Tonyo. Tonyo, a friend to all. When someone's hurting, he answers the call. A voice for the people, strong and true. Hope
So you
comes
know
alive.
what? For the love of Tanawan, we can always give our service. Especially that this is not just for our own personal growth, but this is also to benefit the entire community of the municipality of Tanawan. Even if Gutay at Amon Katurog still, we can survive. And I think that is also one of the factors in added ka ng GSO. Di ba may yung night shift and day shift, and all of you are being appreciated. All the efforts and the hard work that you have put into are really appreciated. And we say thank you so much. Labis na gihatmat ang aton taga sound control, ang aton mga taga IT nga nagko-connect from Tanawan, Leyte, Philippines to the different parts of the world. We say thank you so much.
Yes, correct partner. And of course, we would like to say special thanks to the Menro na iya mga pag-collect ng mga basura. Yan ang sirimpaman ada gihapon ang pagpalimpyo han aton plaza. And of course, to the GSO family headed by Sir Eugene Ramos nga sa rin pa man gabi-gabi aadi kami para pagsuporta han aton minahal nga minayoy nga mayor and to the local government unit of Tanawan nga aga gabi ani ang pagsuporta GSO para maging malimpyo ang aton plaza, ang aton libong. Especially nga aton mga saring stall owners nga gabi-gabi nagahatag din magrasa nga mga pagkaon, mga barbecue hana aton mga bisita.
Son K. Tonio, a friend to all. When someone's hurting, he answers the call.
And special thanks to Sangkay Tonyo. Ngayon na, hiya lang ako sa nagpipinan na murot hit mga siot di Diha Plaza. Thank you kuya. Ang imo sa ring paman pagpakita yung suporta hiniya na nga event di Pasaka Festival 2025. Thank
Ako
you
talaga
kuya.
hisang kay Tonyo it may dahil tinuod nga paghigugma. Diba? Kagabi parang kailan lang vlog sa kalipat. Siot nila titi. Dapat may nag-video diha para may the content.
With every viewer lending hand, together we help this land. Son K. Tonio, a friend to all. When someone's hurting, he answers the call. A voice for the people, strong and true. Hope comes alive in what you do. Son K. Tonio, you light the way.
And syempre mga sangkayan, amo ito na Sarimpa, better and brighter than awan. Kay Sarimpa, anhingya panaton minahal, ngan minayo nga mayor, at di rin na pagpalamrag, kundi pagpauswag. But the main highlight, kung ano, kaupay na itanawan, syempre, ang iya pagpalamrag, han aton kakarsadahan. Nga na Sarimpa man, usalaan naton na tumong na pagpaupay han bungto han tanawan kay Sirimpa bungto kitahin ka mag-araman nga na of course our first woman mayor in Sirimpa very supportive in all the activities that happen here at the amphitheater at the plaza.
Son K. Tonio, a friend to all. When someone's hurting, he answers the call. A voice for the people, strong and true. Hope comes alive in what you do. Son K.
So we would
Tonio.
like to inform the public to please avoid throwing all your trashes anywhere. Kay uy, kita yung isang kay Tonyo, hiyan nala in tawon, it naglilimpihitan awan amphitheater. Maaram ako ay mga taga-tanawan, disiplinado, maaram magrespeto, nga nakikiduyog, nga nakikiangay kung ano man it mga rules, naging papatuman. So, if you have your trashes with you, put it inside your pocket and bring it home. Darating at iyo dito itong ilabog. Ayaw niyo ilabog, bisan diin lang. We have to clean as you go. Ha? At mga taga-tanawan, sigurado dito nga mga baltok. Kaya syempre, bungto kita nga mag-araman. We have to follow certain instruction.
Son K. Tonio, you light the way with stories of love every day. Here in our town, you make us believe you're the light that we all need. He helps the poor, he love stands tall. Thank you so much, San K. Tonio.
And syempre mga kasangkayan,
Thank you.
Sana PFP, and of course, ang ating iba pa mga halina.
Ala, gadaw ka. Yung ngaran?
Lian Jim. Lian Jim.
Saan? Ano yung mo school? Ano yung mo school?
Ano, TCHI.
TCCI! Ay! TCCI na liwat! Ganyan.
Sana.
For the different Mr., Miss, Little Miss, and Little Miss.
Huli kita ito.
So, we would like again to inform our school heads para kung hirang agadahan mga corona, Little Miss, Mr., Miss nga na Little Mister. So, bali na lang kita kayo dito.
Okay na daw eh.
Ay, katulong
Ayan na to,
ng
okay na to.
partner po.
Son Kate's audio, a friend to all. When someone's hurting, he answers the call. A voice for the people, strong and true. Hope comes alive in
Thank you.
what you do.
God bless.
Of our organizing.
Ayos ka, good. Saka din ka.
Tagapago. Tagapago.
Tagapagod, kano ka nabulig?
Atay damot siyot.
Damot siyot ka, no?
Local heroes the world should know, supporting small dreams in every place. He lifts them up with kindness and grace. When storms may come, when times are tough, Sankey stands strong, he's brave enough. With every viewer lending hand, together we help this land. Sankey Tonio, a friend to all. When someone's hurting, he answers the call. A voice for the people, strong and true. Hope comes alive in what you do. Son Tonio, you light the way with stories of love every day. Here in our town, you make us believe you're the light that we all need. He helps the poor, he love stands tall. Thank you so much, Sankey Tonio. Tonio, a friend to all. When someone's hurting, he answers the call. A voice for the people, strong and true. Hope comes alive in what you do. Son Tonio, you light the way.
Nakabulig-bulig kita. Nakabulig kita di sa plaza, no? Oh, yun sa niya baga ako. May daman live nga niya kanan pasaka parade. So, nanmurot na lang kita dito may amphitheater dapit. Again, this has been your friend from another stars. Ako yung magpapabili lagyap niyo ngayon po sa Sangkay. Ako yung Sangkay Tonyo. Good night, si Dreams. Mwah! Chok-chok!